Hi, this is Mike with Channel Master. As many are aware, receiving over-the-air broadcasts with a typical indoor antenna can be challenging and may not always provide consistent results. This is due to various factors in and around the home, including building materials, electronics, vegetation, trees, weather, and believe it or not, even people. We know the environment around the antenna will likely always be changing, and for that reason, we've created the SMARTenna Plus. The SMARTenna Plus was designed to help minimize these issues at the time of installation. Its innovative smart optimization feature allows users to self-adjust anytime with just the push of a button. In this video, we will review the best installation practices for the SMARTenna Plus and provide instructions on how to best utilize the innovative smart optimization functionality. After unpacking the SMARTenna Plus, the first step is to find the best location for installation. Try to find a good location on a wall or window that is unobstructed from movement, as close to an exterior wall as possible, and away from all other home electronics. Also, we recommend that the SMARTenna Plus be installed high on a wall, but within arm's reach, so you still have access to the smart optimization button whenever needed. Please note that one of the included cables will run from the SMARTenna Plus to the included power supply, and the other cable will run from the power supply to your television. Now that you have found a location and have checked the cable lengths, it's time to mount the SMARTenna Plus. The SMARTenna Plus comes with 4 push pins, 2 black and 2 white, and with 4 adhesive tabs to make installation quick and easy. If you are installing the antenna on a drywall or a soft wood wall, use the 2 push pins for mounting. Using your thumb, push the pins through the antenna's pre-punched holes and into the wall. If the surface of your wall is made of hard material, such as concrete, brick, or glass, use the adhesive tabs at each corner of the antenna and stick it to the wall. After you have mounted the antenna, connect the cables to the antenna, power supply, and your television. Next, plug the power supply into an electrical outlet. At this point, it's recommended that you move to an area of the room where you normally watch TV. This is important because the antenna will take into consideration and perform its optimization based upon your location in the room. The LED light on the antenna will blink rapidly until the initial optimization is complete. To maximize its effectiveness, please stay in the same location throughout the optimization process. It typically takes 2 to 3 minutes before the LED light on the antenna stops blinking, and at that time, you'll be free to move around the room. Once the LED is solid, it's now time to scan for channels on your television. Follow your TV's instructions on how to scan for over-the-air antenna channels. This is typically an easy step and usually includes pulling up your TV menu screen and selecting to auto-program channels. It will take a few minutes for your TV to complete this scan, and at that time, you'll be set to start enjoying free TV. Now that your antenna is installed, we will go over a few scenarios where using the smart optimization functionality will be useful and explain how to manually optimize signals by pressing the small button at the bottom of the antenna. The SMARTenna Plus optimization feature is useful when the environment around the antenna changes, causing intermittent signal issues that result in video pixelation and macro blocking. When experiencing either of these issues, the optimization process is easy, although it is important to note that the optimization may not always fix the signal issue, depending on its severity. To optimize, simply cycle through the 7 optimization patterns using multiple button presses on the bottom of the antenna. By default, your antenna is set to optimization pattern number 1. 2 quick button presses will change the SMARTenna Plus optimization to pattern number 2. 3 quick button presses will change the SMARTenna Plus optimization to pattern number 3, and so on and so forth, all the way up to 7 button presses. After pressing the desired number of button presses, wait until the LED has stopped blinking. Then, wait a few minutes to determine if your signal has improved or not. Continue trying different patterns until you have cycled through all 7. If you have a channel that continues to have signal reception issues, this may mean that you may need to find another installation location, and possibly even consider switching to an outdoor antenna.